much for joining me at Lisa B. Today we are going to go over a serious core workout without any neck tension or pain. So it's one of the most common questions I get is how to avoid the neck pain when I'm doing core exercise and I'm bringing my head and shoulders off with mat constantly. Let's not do that today. Let's keep the head down. So this is great if you feel the horrible tension and pain in your neck. So let's get straight into this. So we're just going to warm up. So really important to warm up the abdominals. So relax your shoulders, hands by your hips. We're going to take an inhale through the nose, exhale, pull the belly in. So pull your tummy muscles in towards your spine. Now relax your core, just relax. So just get used to doing that. Inhale through the nose, relax. Exhale, tummy muscles in. Pull the belly in. Now relax again, one more time. Inhale. Exhale, tummy muscles in. Let's bring the legs in. So left leg into tabletop, right leg into tabletop, warming up the core. So right leg out to the side, keep it in the tabletop right angle, left leg as still as possible. And again, right leg. Inhale out. Exhale in. Inhale out. Left leg nice and still. Exhale in. One more time. Inhale out. Keep it at that right angle. Exhale in. No movement in the pelvis. Hip bones facing up. Left leg out to the side. Exhale in. Inhale out to the side. Right leg stays nice and still. Exhale in. Inhale out to the side. Exhale in. One more time. Inhale out. Exhale in. Good. Just bring the knees in. Let's go into single leg stretch without bringing the head and shoulders off. Legs in tabletop. Away and away. Really pulling the core in. Don't let the ribs pop open. Don't let the tummy muscles relax and don't let the lower back come off the mats. Let's go for 8. Shoulders relaxed. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just the right side only. 1. Pull the belly in. 2, 3, 4. Other side. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Hug the knees in. We're going for both legs. So we're going to point the toes, heels together, toes slightly apart. So now push away. We're going to flex the feet, point the toes, bring them in. Push away, point, flex, point, bring them in, back into the mat. Push away, point, flex, point, and in. Really, I feel my core shaking. Point, flex, point, and in. 2 more times. Point, flex, point, and in. 1 more time. Push, point, flex, point, and in. Open the knees wider than your hips. Flex the feet. Heels together, toes apart the whole time. Shoulders relaxed. So now, pull your belly in. Inhale. Exhale, push away. Point the toes, bring them back in. Open the knees. Push away. Flex the feet. Point the toes, bring them back in. Push away, bring them back in, and push. Really pull the belly in. Go lower to the floor to make it harder. Stay higher to make it easier. So there's lots of little different variants you can do with the legs here. Let's go for 3. Point the toes in, flex the feet out. 2, 1. Good. Single leg drops. So the modification would be toe taps or leg straight. Lower, lower. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, belly in, 2, 1, good. Bring the knees in, and then we're going to go into some dead bugs here. So legs in tabletop, arms up, relax your shoulders, get your shoulders nice and neutral so you're not protracting, you're not retracting. arms straight. So now we're going to inhale to take the left leg back and the left leg forward and the right arm back. So opposite arm, opposite leg. Inhale, exhale in. Straighten the right leg, left arm behind you. Inhale, exhale in. Left leg, right arm. Inhale, exhale in. Point those toes. Keep going. Tummy muscles in. Really don't let the back come off the mat, so keep the back nice and flat. Good. Inhale, exhale, inhaling, exhaling. Good. Keeping those shoulders relaxed the whole time. Try not to be bringing any tension to the shoulders. Let's go for 6 more. Pulling the belly in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Hug the knees in. Let's just roll through the spine a few times to come up to a seated position. So roll back, so you should feel it in your abs, nothing in the back. You can put your hands there to help with the modification if you feel it a little bit too much. Again, you shouldn't feel it in the back. So long spine, arms out in front of you. Relax your shoulders. So take an inhale, exhale belly in, roll back. Gazing down as you roll back, but you've still got space between your chin and chest. Come back up. So imagine you've got an apple between your chin and chest as you go back. So make sure you're not doing that. Make sure you're not crunching the neck and bringing the chin down. Inhale, long spine, look straight ahead of you. Exhale, belly in, roll back. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, belly in. Got 2 more of these. Inhale, exhale back. Good. 1 more time. Inhale, exhale back. Let's take it up a little bit, take it a bit more intensity. Inhale, exhale back, hover here. Remember, hands can be here to help you. So now all you're going to do is extend the right leg and down. For 1, shoulders relax, belly in. 2, 3, 4, other side, extend and down. For 1, 2, really pull the core in. 3, 4, come back up, use the core on the way up. Inhale, exhale back, tummy muscles in. Now straighten the left leg, point the toe. We're going to lift so the knees come next to each other and lower. For 5, 4, keep the neck nice and long. 3, 2, 1, other side, straighten the right leg, point the toe. You should be leaning back. If you're sitting up straight, you're not going to feel this. I'm afraid if you're sitting up straight, you're just lifting your leg up and down. So really feel the core for 3, 2, 1, bend the knee, come up. We're going to do a nice little L sit here. So let's come into a ball position. So round the back, bring the toes off the mat. So now you're just hovering. So now I'm going to try and bring my knees in tight, hands to the mat. So I'm leaning back slightly. Now I'm going to straighten my legs. Now as I lower my legs, I'm going to sit up straight. So walk the fingers forward, sit up nice and straight. Hover the feet, don't let them fall. 5, the legs are off the mat. 4, 3, 2, 1, bring them in. Oh, everything was shaking. Ooh, everything was shaking. So hands on the mat, I'm leaning back. Straighten the legs. Walk your hands forward. Come up, sitting up nice and straight. Don't drop those legs. Hold them for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Oh, that is serious. So come down onto your forearms, straighten the legs. So again, neck is long, don't sort of sink into the shoulders, so chest is open, nice and proud here, lower back off the mat. So looking straight ahead of you, open the chest. We're gonna, without anything else moving, in theory, right arm is gonna release forward and in. Engage the core, pull your tummy muscles in. Left arm, just nice easy breath. And in. Right arm again, release. And in, pull the belly in. And release. And in. Now both arms, 5, 4, it's shaking, 3, 2, 1, and come up. Oh my God, that was amazing. Right, so side plank abs as well, so really pull your belly in here, then we're going to go onto the stomach. So you can stay here, hips down if it's a bit too much, or let's lift. So now, if you're doing this variation, you're going to drop your hips and bring your knee to your elbow. So you're either here, hips down, or lift. So we're going to drop and drop. Let's go for 10. 1, 2, pull the belly in, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, remember to drop the hips, 9, 10, stay here, lift, or you can come into a side plank and hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, good, and down, other side, other side. So elbow under the shoulder, bend the bottom leg, you can either lift the hips or keep the hips down. So we're going to lift the leg, knee to elbow, and drop the hips if your hips are up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Either hold like this or come up into a nice full side plank. Tummy muscles in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. Then we're going to go for hip dips, so into a forearm plank. So again, neck pain, make sure as you come into a plank that you've not just let your head drop like this. So neck is long, and you're looking, I'd say I'm kind of looking at my hands now, that's where my eye line is going. Don't let the head drop. So you can either do with this knees down or lift the knees. So 20 side to side hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep the neck long, 6, don't let your head sink, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good, let's go down. Remember, back strength is really important for the core. The core is all linked to the back, so back and glutes as well, so let's work on those a little bit. So tummy muscles in, imagine you've got a blueberry underneath the stomach. I'm going to lift my head and keep my neck long. I'm not like that, because then I'm putting pressure on my neck. I'm gazing down, neck is nice and long. So now I'm going to squeeze my butt to lift my arms and my legs. Lift everything, float everything down. Now we're going to lift, pull the elbows back. 1, 2, really squeeze the butt. 3, 4, float, and down. We're going to lift again. Float, tummy muscles in, squeeze that butt, point the toes, and down. Lift again. 4 pull backs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down again. We've got that one more time. Lift, keep your shoulders relaxed, tummy muscles in, squeeze the butt, and down. Lift again, pull back for 4, 3, 2, 1. Really pull the belly in, float for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Good. Then hands on the back of the head. Neck is long. We're going to lift the head and shoulders up and down. If this is too much on the neck, I'm going to keep my head down and I'm going to just squeeze the elbows back. So you're either here or you're here. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Push up. Take the knees wide. Go for that stretch back. Drop the forehead. Good. And let's just do a little plank hold here. Just a few seconds. So take my wrists under my shoulders. I'm going to take my right leg back. That might be enough for you right here. Or you might want to take the left leg back. Lift the kneecaps, push through the heels. So remember, don't let your head drop. You shouldn't be looking at your feet. You're looking, again, I'm kind of looking just in front of my hands. Pull the belly in. Breathe. Nice flat back. Strong arms, lift the kneecaps. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, and down. I hope you're feeling good. Let's just add a little twist because it's so important for the spine. We're going to inhale, lift, exhale, twist. Inhale, lift, exhale, twist. Couple of head circles. Reverse it. Chin to chest. Thank you so much for joining me. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave me a like, leave me your comments below. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you feel good. That's all I hope for you guys, that you just feel good after that and you've worked your abs without putting too much pressure on your neck. Thank you, love to you all, and I hope to see you soon.